ray comes into convex lens, what's happened to it? Right, they converge, right? So the rays will come in here and the rays will converge. They'll meet at one point. What is called a point again? Point of focus, right? Nice. What will happen with a concave lens now? The rays will diverge. So the rays will diverge. So where is the point of focus for concave lens? What you have to do? Behind, right? So you have to kind of draw it backwards here. That's the point of focus. That's okay? So each one of these will produce an image, right? What are the things that we need to learn about the image, properties of an image? We have to know if it's real or virtual. So if I look at those two diagrams here, which is real and which is virtual? That's right. Sorry, David. Which of these produces a real and which of these produces a virtual image? So the real is here and the imaginary and the virtual is here, right? That's okay? All right, nice. What else we need to know about the image? Nice. We need to know the size. We need to know if it's the same size. If it's minimized. Minimized or magnified, right? So we need to know if it's same size, smaller or larger, right? Next thing, what we need to know, right? The orientation. So we need to know if it's upright. We need to know if it's upright or if it's inverted. And last thing, we need to know where it is. So anytime you describe an image, you have to know those four things. That's okay? So we're gonna do one via ray diagram here. Right, so we're gonna do by example of a ray diagram, so you know what to do. This is your lens, right? This is your lens. Here is your optical center. Here is your focal length. Here is two focal lengths away. Here is your focal length. Here is two focal lengths away. This is your lens, right? So we're gonna place an object somewhere and try to figure out the image. So we are going to do an example on the right hand side there and try to describe the four things about the image. Okay. All right, online. So when we draw it, I want you to tell me the four things about the image, right? And try to use a ruler and scale it out, right? 0 to 4, make it about 3 centimeters. Right? Yeah, try and make it even. No, I am going to tell you when to put it on, whenever you figure it. Right? O to F is 3 centimeters, O to 2F will be 6, of course, right? Do it exact. And then I will tell you where the image going, where the object going. Right. Here's what we're doing, right? So let's say about here's 3, I said, right? Try the average where 5 centimeters is. No, that won't be there. 3, 4, 5. 5 might be like more here, so. Place the object, let your object height be about 3 centimeters high. And draw your object come up. Right? This is your object. Right? Yeah, here's 3. Right. Right, so here's 3 and here's 3, here's 3 and here's 3. Right? So what I want you to do is place the object at 5 centimeters. Place the object at 5 centimeters and draw it 3 centimeters high. Right? Anybody remember the 2 ways you have to draw? Without looking back. So, forever. Exams are 3 days away, and I'm going to tell you how much it is. I'm going to tell you how much it is. February, 93 days. I told 100. February, March, April. 93, so the exam is early in May. 5th of May is physics. Oh, what physics? Oh, little one. 100 days, watch this math say earlier, 100 days, right? And minus all them weekends are all of those study. And then minus all the days that you're gonna sleep and go to no work and watch football and go to carnival and things. Right? So it end up with what, 10 days? No, in 10 days you have to study. All right. Nice. What are the 2 years, Joe? Yeah, well, minus 1. Right? Who remember the 2 ways? One at the top of the object, both at the top of the object, yeah? But one at the top of the object going where? Parallel to the principal axis, and then through the focal point. That's your first way. Parallel to the principal axis when it reaches the lens through the focal point. One more way. Right, listen again. At the top, parallel to the principal axis. When it reaches the lens, it goes from there through the focal point. Okay, that's ray number 1. Ray number 2 is where? Through the optical center, straight to the center. So it's starting from here through the optical center. See where they meet, right? Where they meet, that will be the top of the object, and then the image, and then finish it up. I want you, when you're done, to tell me 4 things about the image. Won't be perfect, but it'll be close to what the answer is, right? Hurry up. You don't have that. You don't have to read that. That's your mother. So you know what time I gave it to draw this? Yeah. During that CSEC exam. Old school guy. He will leave on his exam. So what is unless you quick, they show you all about it. And then they have a few years to cover and they build it back, then you're right. So you get quick for that. Right. You went through that? Right? And the rays met? Yeah? Right. Where the rays meet, that's the top of the image drawn backwards. Okay? And then let's see if we can describe the 4 things there. It wouldn't be perfect, right? It wouldn't be perfect. Not on the graph page like we did before. Yeah, I'm going through each one. Everybody ready? Number 1, real. Craig said it real because it's on. I don't like that. It's because the rays met, right? But yes, because it's on this side as well. But because the rays meet, it's real. Number 2, what do you think, Ashley? Is it same size, minimized or magnified? It should have been larger, right? It was larger, right? So yes, so it magnified. So the image bigger than the object. So it magnified. Number 3, yeah, David. Inverted because it's upside down. right? I'm not too sure about this one, what you all got for the position. Beyond 2F, so you can write beyond 2F. That okay with that? Next, Ashley, you follow how I got this? All four? Lindsay, you remember this? Right? So these are the four things that we need to have whenever we describe an image. Anybody remember? Where do I place the object? Let's pick somebody online. Let me see you online. Who to pick, Rihanna? Rihanna, do you remember where to put the object for it to be virtual? Ariana, where do I put the object? Where do I put the object for it to be virtual? Wait, I think it, of course. You can remember? Anybody remember, Timmy? Where do you put the object for it to be virtual? Where? No, it won't be. It will always be on this side, but somewhere on this side, you can place the object. Below. Anybody remember? Between F and 0, between O and F, that's 0, right? So if you place the object here, these rays will not meet, right? You'll have to draw them backwards and you'll get the image on the same side. So if you place the object here, right, you will not get a real image. Okay? Right. What's the formula that brings all this together? 1 over F is equal to 1 over B. 1 over F is equal to 1 over 1 over U plus. What's U? U is the distance from here to here. Object distance. And B is the distance from here to here. Image distance. Image. Right? So U is your object distance. And B is your image distance. Okay? So this formula, and of course, F is here, right? F is the focal length. This formula allows you to work out anything. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use the formula and see if we can find exactly where this image is supposed to be. What was the focal length I gave you all? 3 centimeters, right? And where did you place the object? Here to here was how much? 5 centimeters. Just do my little favor, do a little maths and solve for me. Let's see if it's the same answer that you all got here. That'll tell you how good you did the experiment, right? I mean, the diagram. And then math and solve for B. Please leave that a fraction, right? That you said it over. Right? Go to the decimal. Right, so 1 on V is equal to 1/3 minus 1/5. Most of you all got 2/15ths, but remember you had to flip it over. 15 on 2, so your answer is 7.5. So your image should be 7.5 centimeters away. Anybody got that? 7.5? Exact? No, like in the diagram. No? Well, yeah, check it. So it should be a steel diagram. Yeah, look at Brianna again. Right? And last thing, magnification. Right? Magnification, the symbol is M. Magnification is equal to image height. So if you find the image height and if you find the image height and the object height and divide them, you'll get magnification. Anybody know our next formula? There are two formulas, image height, object height. Right, V over. Okay, if you divide V over U, it will give you the magnification. Okay, so again, I could tell some of you all actually do a little revision, which is good. I probably do it recently in school. One of them. But regardless, it's in your brain, which is a good sign. That's where it should be, right? Somewhere in the brain. All right, so we're going to some past papers on this stuff. Right, I'm going to put out the crash course time table. I just have 3 numbers. I just have 3 teachers to confirm their times as well. Right, but for those who don't know, here we have crash courses for 5 days for every subject. Right, we have maths, English, almost everything. Maths, English, all the sciences, geography, no, during the Easter vacation. That every subject, almost every subject. But it's have different teachers. I will put a list of teachers. Who do NGO, somebody can come with. Tina. Miss Mom. Cheryl. Right, you send me the numbers, right? For bio, okay, right? I don't have the numbers like in different schools, yeah. Just me alone from this. And I'm a teacher from that side. In fact, I mean, after this chemistry. I do from the 12th to the 27th crash course. That's UDP. Right. And the Fridays before your final exam, I some all night. So all night I will do physics, all night I will. So that's before the exam.
Okay, so okay, right. I don't have all things.
We could do one. No, you see without all that. The word. With chairman from algebra. Biology, not somebody else. Bio is be teacher from now. But son, last time you were saying, yeah. He's the one for the exam. All right, before the catch my small talk there, everybody have that? Yeah. Okay. Right, so I'll post. So what I normally do is I'll give you first. Right, I'll give you all the first option to sign up, and then I will release it on the outside, right? Right, but of course you can see I can only take here, and all the rest is online, right? It takes so many people.
We have nice containers.
No, again, it goes up short. Sign. But for the no sign, I'll post it up on you. All right, let's start with lenses here. Right, some stuff is to be kind of color, like mass kind of color already. Something else. Well, with all the that way it helps. Right, for those who can't see on the screen, go to the topic by topic to the group, right? And we start in here. Oh yeah, hold on, let me tell you what page we started on, right? Right, remember last day we did all these, right? Just missing. All right, let's start here. Right, we starting on page 174. You all cannot see here because of that magnified voice. Page 173, 2015, number 6. Right, so go to the topic by topic, page 173, number 6. Anybody want tablet? I guess somebody might not put it by the other. Well, right. We are on page 173. You're doing 173 and 174. Okay. Everybody has something to look in, right? Go ahead. Wait till you take for a couple. Go there. Upside up. Too early. Upside up. Oh yeah, you doing the whole thing online. I just showing one part there. You are doing the whole thing, 173 and 174. Part P, yes, yeah, do that. Any questions? The copy, yes. Yeah, very good. Oh yeah, drawing diagram. Story wheel and once. Check this one out. Sure. Let's try. Can you first 2 parts, 3 parts, full tank? Let's try. Can you first part here? Okay. So they want to complete figure 3. Draw the ray shown as it emerges on the other side of the lens. Show the principal focus, right? So the ray will come through here, and then it will diverge. Principal focus is here. You can just draw one more. You can just draw one more, right? Sorry. Right, so your rays will look something like that. They want to show the principal axis and the focal point, right? Principal axis and the focal length will be from here to the middle, right? The middle is the optical center. Okay, so you want all of that, right? So show the principal axis and the focal length. Right, actually just solid line. That's the principal axis. Okay, nice. So that's just the first part, right? Write in word the formula for magnification. We know magnification is image height divided by object height. Okay, image height over object height, or you can write V on U. All right, or you can write V on U. Or you can write V on U. Give it up. Next part. Right, the image AB, sorry, the object AB is placed 20 centimeters in front of the focal of a converging lens of focal length 10. Calculate the position of the image. What's the formula we're going to use here? Let's pick on what is Cupid. Cupid, tell me the formula. That's the 1 over F is equal to 1 over U plus 1 over V. Right? When you're using this formula, David, we have to make sure everything is the same. Same one. Either should be everything is same one. Right, and make sure F, U, and V in the same one. Unit, right? In the same unit. All centimeters, all meters, all millimeters. Must be in the same unit, right? Right, go ahead and work out 1 on V. 1 on V is 1 on F minus 1 on U. How much y'all got? Oh, you haven't reached yet? Oh, sorry, hurry up. Hurry. Those who finish it, can do it the year after. Those who finish it, do it the year after, right? Yeah. Out. Yeah. Out.
So that every time you.
Right, what you all got for B? I have 1 on 10 minus 1 on 20. What you all got? 20. So 1 on B is 1 on 20. So B is 20 centimeters. Right, so calculate the position and state on which side. Which side will it be on? It will be on the opposite side of the lens, right? Watch. Here is opposite side, here is opposite, and here is same side. Okay? Look at the diagram, right? Opposite is on the right, same is on the left. Right? Opposite side. Right? So the answer is on the opposite side of the lens. Nice. Part 2, find the magnification. V over U. V over U, which is 20 over what? Oh, U is 20. Okay. So the magnification is 1. Yeah. By the way, so the answer.
Setting 6, right?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah, yeah.
And what's your name?
One of the today, people have one. One of. Right. How do you know if it's real or virtual? Number 1. Remember I told you all virtual will be on the same side. Real is always on the opposite side. That's one way to check. And next way to check is when you work out magnification. If you get positive answer, it's real. If it's negative, it's virtual. Okay?
That's it.
Make a note of that, please. When magnification is positive, when magnification is positive, now we are what you mean the answer to. When the magnification is positive, if the image is real. When the magnification is positive, the image is real. And when it's negative, the image is virtual. Well, if you get a magnification, you're in trouble. All right, here what? You can also check V. If V positive, it's real. If V negative, it's virtual. Yes. All right, go ahead.
This is actually.
Yes, yeah, you can see it. Yeah, well, it's not yet. I'm going to like if you what's not like that, the person that game is there. But you believe it, it's already there, right? I know.
Like we'll see it on the screen. Like watch them and see.
Okay, it's a virtual, almost a virtual. Okay. I'll show you an example. The example. Yeah,
Oh, I like the words.
All right, let's go again. Next one. Next one, that's on page 175. Do that, please. 175. We have 2 more to do. Well, simple, the same thing over and over. Let's see if you can do this one in 10 minutes or less. Page 175. You're done? I didn't check it. Suppose it's finished. Suppose some like some people looking at it and saying, no, I don't. Serious. No. Yeah, we have to do it.
I didn't make it yet.
Well, I didn't mind. So sorry. Yeah. I like them the most because I wasn't doing it. I was doing it. I mean,
Because my teacher knows that
well done. Really questions. Online you can message answers, right? Anybody confused? Same thing you use the back again, right? Again, sure. Oh yeah. Right, 2 minutes again, I'm gonna start correcting it because we have one more to do. Right, here's the end of wave, next week we do electricity.
Yeah, no wheels.
At the end of the week, we done that. If we did, we probably done. Actually, no, we have some sound to do. Last week we did reflection on refraction, and then this week we did electrical. We have. All of the wave. So conversion lens can be used to go get them. And I just do it the first, I just do it partly alone. Right, converging lines can be used to form real or virtual images. With reference to the focal length, describe the object distance required to produce each type. So anything between O1F, what do we get? We said that a while ago. Between O1F, right? Images are virtual. Right. Images are virtual. And beyond F, images are real. State orientation of each. Virtual is always what? Very good. Virtual is always upright. Real is inverted. And real is always inverted. In figure 3, complete the diagram. What type of lens is that? Converging lens. Or like part A. It's just looking all funny. But the question in the beginning said converging lens. So the ray will come in like this. That's why you must read your questions properly. Right? The converging lens. Question said converging at the beginning, right? Although it has a little triangle thing on top, it still doesn't form the shape of the converging. Right, and finish up with the last part here. Part B, no, you have a next one, we have one more to do with it. So, if you do this up, part B be done. Here we are you all done? Part B.
Yes, sir. Well, just think of it from like
Alright.
All right, let's correct this out. First one, me. Find magnification. Magnification is what?
Image height over object height.
Right, which is
6.3 over 2.4. Sorry, 3.6 over 2.4.
3.6 over 2.4, which is
1.5.
1.5. For the same magnification, find the image distance. So we're using M is B on U, B is M by U. Right? M is 1.5 and U is 20. So you will get 30. Very good. Focal length is what? 1 over F is equal to 1 over U plus 1 over V. So that's 1 over. What's U again? 20. 1 over 20 plus 1 over 30. How much is that? 1 over 12. So your final answer for F is 12.
Three.
How much form? 4.
She wasn't.
No, give me something. Right? 12 centimeters, right? 1 over 20 plus 1 over 30. Right? 1 over u plus 1 over v. We have one more to do. Last one, but you're taking too long. I'm going to ask people individually. Ignore the diagram. Go to page 177. Go to page 177 and let's do that. Right. Let's start here. So I'll send you're taking too long. So let's pick on some people. Dream up. Right? This is the object height. This 18 centimeters is what letter? What's that 18 centimeters? Huh? No. U, that's U, and which one is that?
Well, my effort done that year, I think that's not correct. I just didn't see the correct.
FL 12. Right. How we finding image distance? Nuria. What's the formula we use in part 1? One over F is equal to 1 over U plus. Go ahead. Work it out fast enough, please. Huh? Right, so 1 over V is equal to 1 over F. 1 over F is 12. 1 on 12 minus 1 on 18. 1 on 36. 1 on 36. So V is 36 centimeters. Next, magnification. How we doing magnification? Jamie, magnification is what? Right, but we do have image height. So what's the next formula you could use? It is right there still. If you do have image height and object height, what else you could use? V over U. Right? What's the value for V again? V is 36 and U is 18. How much is that? 2. Is that virtual or real? It's real because it's positive, right? Next, find the image height. What's the formula we're going to use for image height? The magnification 2, right? So if the magnification is 2 and the object height is how much again? The object height was 7.2. Object height was 7.2. What is the image height? Josh. What's the image height? The magnification is 2 and the object height is 7.2. How would it be? Magnification is 2. Okay, doubling it, right? So if the object height is 7.2, what's the image height? 7.2 by 2, right? So you'll get 14.4 centimeters. And last part, is it real or virtual? Devana. Is it real or virtual? No, Well, what's the answer? As well, real or virtual? Real. Right? The answer is real. Okay? Just put it in the mode. So fast to do that. Not very fast. Anyway, the same thing over and over. Huh? Only we have to do the same thing. We just have to remember. Right? So you can sketch that graph for homework, right? Right? We have electricity to do next day and the sound waves, right? I didn't do anything on sound, so I'll do some sound waves and then we do electricity next day. Alright, so that's it. Fine online, that's the day. Fine online, that's the day. You have to log out. Next week will continue, right? Bye.